Hey there, have you ever wondered what's lurking in your deodorant? Get ready to uncover the truth with me. Hey there folks, today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of underarm deodorants. But hold on, because we're not just talking about smelling fresh, we're talking about the harmful chemicals found in deodorants that you definitely want to avoid absorbing. Let's get educated and make an informed choice for our bodies. So, what's hiding in your deodorant? Well, let me give you the scoop. The most common chemical ingredients found in deodorants and antiperspirants are parabens, triclosan, phthalates, propylene glycol, synthetic fragrances, and aluminum. Yikes! Those are quite the mouthful and definitely not something we want to be absorbing into our skin. But fear not, my friends. I've got a solution for you. A deodorant that not only keeps you smelling fresh, but also checks all the boxes for a low tox life. Allow me to introduce to you the natural sensitive deodorant infused with doTERRA, Douglas fir, and Greek orange. It's a game changer, let me tell you. Let's talk about the primary benefits that make this deodorant a winner. First of all, it features CPTG essential oils, Douglas fir and Greek orange. We're talking about nature's finest aroma packed into this tiny powerhouse. Now let's talk about the best part. It's free from all the stuff we want to avoid. No triclosan, no aluminum, no parabens, no phthalates, and definitely no propylene glycol. It's like a breath of fresh air for your underarms without any of the questionable stuff. Need an extra perk? Tapioca starch is here to save the day, absorbing underarm moisture and leaving you feeling fresh and dry throughout the day. No more awkward sweat patches, my friends. And let's not forget about magnesium. This powerhouse ingredient helps neutralize odors, keeping you smelling fabulous morning till night. Say goodbye to any potential sniff tests. So there you have it. Say no to harmful chemicals and embrace a low tox lifestyle with the natural sensitive deodorant infused with doTERRA, Douglas fir, and Greek orange. It's not only a deodorant that keeps you smelling fantastic, but it also cares for your body and supports your journey towards low tox living. You can pick up some today with the link provided in the description field. You can also tweak that ready to go link with the items you want.